In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change settings in Claude Projects. Before we start, here's the big picture. Project instructions tell Claude how to behave inside a specific project. They act like a standing brief, shaping tone, priorities, and style so you don't have to repeat yourself in every message. Setting them thoughtfully saves time and keeps outputs consistent across your work. Begin by opening the project you want to update. If you organize your work by clients, topics, or teams, choose the one where you want Claude's guidance to be tailored. Once you're in, take a look at the right side of the screen. On the right, locate the Project Knowledge and Instructions panel. It's your hub for persistent guidance and any context you've shared with the project. If you don't see it immediately, it may be collapsed. Look for a right-hand sidebar toggle or a small arrow to expand it. Keeping this panel visible makes it easy to adjust instructions as your goals evolve. Next, select Set Project Instructions. This opens the editor where you'll write the guidance you want Claude to follow. Think of this area as a concise operating manual. The clearer you are, the more reliably Claude will match your expectations. Now, edit the text with the behavior and guidance you want. Be specific about tone, such as friendly and concise, or formal and thorough. State your goals, like prioritizing accuracy over speed, summarizing before suggesting solutions, or always providing sources when available. Define audience assumptions. For example, explain concepts for beginners, or skip basics for expert readers. You can also set formatting preferences, such as short paragraphs, clear headings, or numbered steps only when asked. Include boundaries, like avoid speculative answers or ask for clarification if information is missing. If your project has recurring tasks, add a short template or example response so Claude sees the preferred style. A few tips while you write. Keep instructions brief but unambiguous. Use direct language like do and avoid, and resolve any conflicts up front. If something is non-negotiable, say it explicitly. Revisit the instructions periodically as your project matures so they stay aligned with your needs. When you're satisfied, click Save Instructions. Your changes now apply across the project, guiding interactions going forward. You can return to this same panel anytime to refine the wording as your tone, goals, or audience shift. With these steps, you've set a dependable foundation that helps Claude deliver consistent, on-target work every time.